Welcome back everyone. I'm Coach Shaw and today we'll be working on some bowling. For this activity you will need a ball and you will need some objects you can use as bowling pins to knock down with the ball. You can use objects such as bowling pins, blocks, or cups. The object of this activity is to knock down the pins by rolling the ball at them. Much like an underhand throw, you will swing your arm back, step with the opposite leg, and roll. As you get better, stand farther back when rolling. For an added challenge, try striking the ball with your hand, or kicking the ball with your foot. Thanks for joining us. Hope you enjoyed the video. If so, like and subscribe, and we'll see you back next time.